What's up, peaches and creams? Today I'm showing y'all the whole brow, nothing but the brow. So help me wear a brow. This is how I do my brows. It takes me on an average of 10 to 15 minutes to do my brows. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel and a brow brush. And I like to just line my brow first. So I basically draw the shape of a brow and fill it in. I have very thin brows, so I feel like that gives me freedom a bit. I'm actually a little sloppy today. That's okay. I'm gonna show you how to recover from those cricket lines. Next, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. concealer and a flathead brush, and I'm going to take my flathead brush and use it to clean up this brow. This one, I'm going to actually cut it up. You'll see what I'm talking about. I always have one brow that's bigger than the other. It almost always happens. One brow is perfect and one brow is ugh. So I'm actually cutting this brow down with my concealer. I'm using the concealer to kind of cut off that excess brow. Now this one, I gotta be careful. I don't want to take none off. I really just want to outline and highlight this one. Then you're gonna blend your concealer out. Blend it out. And ladies and gents, that's how I throw on a brow. And the finished look.